Alright everybody, here's a good looking Jeep Wrangler here. Looking really sweet. These are CJ8s. They call them the Scramblers. So you got CJ5, CJ7, CJ8. Now for some of y'all Jeepers out there or people that are interested in more information about Jeeps, a CJ8 is basically, it's longer, it's got a truck bed in the back. Okay, as you can see here with that. Looking really cool. And then you got 50s on here, beadlock wheels. I mean, this bad boy is ready to get out on the off-road and have a little fun. Interior looks really nice. Got your roll cage, your Corbeau racing seats. Got your fifth wheel on the back. Very clean. Here's another CJ8 here with the Golden Eagle graphics on it. I'm loving the black with the gold. Looks really nice and clean. Got a nice color combination going on. Again, these are built to go off-road and really get out there and have some fun. So as y'all have seen at our store, we have an old school CJ5 with Golden Eagle package on it. Again, CJ8 with 50s. You get some Harley Davidson motorcycle seats in there, which kind of goes nice with the theme. New body steering wheel, racks up top. You got a back seat back there. What's nice about the CJ8 is you can still have a back seat in and still have a pretty decent amount of cargo space back here for whatever you want to do. All right, so there's a nice little pair of CJ8s at the Southern Jeep Festival in Easley, South Carolina. There's another beautiful Wrangler for you.